DS diving here, March 25th at Berkman Plaza Marina. We're at the 33 Dusky, and we got two R3 trim tab sinks installed. Let's take a quick look.